Hello, welcome to another video on Daniel Meakin. Today I'm playing Stepford County Railway on Roblox. As you may notice, there is no in-game sound. That's because my screen recorder isn't working properly at the moment. In today's video I'm going to be driving the class 707 from Coxley Bypass Sidings to Stepford Airport Parkway. I am currently at Coxley Bypass Sidings and the next station will be Benton. I'm currently coming into Benton Station on platform 4. We are now ready to leave Benton Station. Our next station is Benton Bridge. We're now approaching Benton Bridge Station, which is our next stop. And I've overshot the platform. We're now currently coming out of Benton Bridge Station. To your right you'll see Toby's Bakery. I apologise that today's video is quite short and has no in-game sound. This is because, as I've mentioned before, my screen recorder is not working properly. Hopefully I'll be able to make a proper SCR video when I sort it out. Thank you for watching my brand new video. Click on the left for another video and click on the right to subscribe to my channel.